Hi, students. This is CA AKS Krishnan, and this video is going to be in fully English. Kindly listen to this video from wherever you are in across India. This is for CA Foundation students, and this is the request I am making to ICI. So you should share this video in a larger extent. I never requested anyone to share this video to a larger extent. This is the first time I am asking to share to the larger extent, to whom you ever like know your friends, relatives, whoever it is. You should share this video to a larger extent. It is very important video. The thing is, past 1.5 years I am taking CA foundation classes also. For past 9 years I am taking only CA final classes, but past 1.5 years I am taking CA foundation classes also. What I found very awkward and for foundation there is paper 3, this business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. This paper is for 100 marks, and there are some difficulties faced by the students, not because of the toughness in the portions or anything, or toughness in the question paper. It is something else what the students are facing in the exam hall. And the number one is, the paper is 100 marks paper. Generally for accounts and law, that is for the descriptive paper, they are giving 15 minutes reading time, okay, which is a very welcoming step. 15 minutes reading time. And so let the students see the question paper, let them have some confidence of after seeing the question paper. So 15 minutes is a very good time, because in 3 hours they can write under marks. 15 minutes reading time, it's a very welcoming step. But the same 15 minutes reading time, I don't think so they are giving for paper 3 mathematics. Most of the students can't even write. Most means I'm telling about 85% of the students. They can't even write more than 90 marks in the paper itself. Though they know or not, they can't even go to that extent. How much ever the preparation has been done. This is point number one. So there should be a reading time which is to be given. This is my first request. So paper reading time. And this paper reading time is very important, because when you start writing your examination in the 2 hours, it's only 2 hours, no 100 marks paper, it's only 2 hours. But when the invigilator, they will come for getting attendance signed, signing the hall ticket, barcode, for something else, and it will disturb the flow also. So for that also, this time should be compensated. And the second thing is, I don't think so they are giving rough sheets. Okay, I think there is no rough sheets when you are writing this examination for mathematics. See, at least for economics we don't want rough sheets, but for mathematics I don't think so they are giving rough sheets, which is very important. For at least one page rough sheet they should give, right? But I asked many students, they are telling that rough sheets has not been given for them to even uh, do some rough workings. It is very difficult to do it in the question paper, which invigilator discourage actually. So this two issues is making the life miserable for foundation students. And actually speaking, mathematics is not the core subject in CA, because if it is a core subject, it should be continuing in inter and final. Mathematics syllabus is very vast, and even in July 2021, there are many out of portion questions asked. That's what the students told, not one or two. So many students in social media somewhere, we cannot give proof because no one is having the question paper in hand. There are some institutes and other books, publications, they are coming with question paper based on memory, but we cannot take it as a proof. It should be clarified by ICI that they have not asked any out of question syllabus, which they have not clarified till date. But yes, it's not necessary for them to clarify. They have their own rules and regulations. I am also a member of ICI. I can only request ICI. I cannot do anything else. So it's only a request as a member from the CA fraternity. My membership number is double 229 446. So from this member, from the CA, I am India's one of the youngest CA. I completed the age of 21 in 2012. From then I started my practice also. So as a request, I am making this video to ICI. You should share this video to a larger extent. I have already messaged to the known Central Council member, and I request them also to kindly look into it. I am not asking them to set the paper easy and all. We don't want that. You can set the paper as ICA has a standards. They can set the paper. Only request is some more reading time, one working sheet, and no out of syllabus portion to be tested. Because there are hundreds of competitive exams in our country, and if they are taking from that competitive exams where the level of preparation itself differs, if they are taking from that level which is not there in our book itself, we should ask from the syllabus based only. So these are our request, and it's a non-core paper. I know some students who got 215 marks but failed in mathematics in 2 marks or 1 mark. This is very no depressing thing for a student because he got 15 marks surplus. So I don't know whether the moderation will be done or not. No one know that process and all. So it's only a request that let them be little lenient in no giving some time at least and not asking from out of syllabus portion. And whoever no face some situation who is going to support this, you can write as your comment. Generally, I never made videos asking like this. It's not any revolution or nothing like that. It's just a request from a chartered accountant to another chartered accountant, because people who are sitting in ICI, all my peers, all my seniors. So it's just a request for the next generation students. We need more chartered accountants. At the same time, we need a quality of people. So thank you so much. If you consider my request, I will be grateful to you. And the student fraternity is also grateful to you. Thank you so much.